Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air, and today we are looking at the Carrier Infinity Variable Speed Heat Pump Condenser model number 25VNA860A003. I'm going to go through this installation and talk to you about this heat pump condenser, let you know some of its features and its benefits. As always, please like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content that I'm going to make about different Carrier systems. If you have any questions, leave that in the comment section below. Be sure to answer those for you. If you're in the Orange County, California area and would like an estimate or get more information about these units, you can visit us at www.albertair.com or call us at 714-526-6368. So let's get right into this heat pump condenser. This is one of Carrier's best heat pumps that they make. This is the 5-speed version. So it is the Carrier Infinity Variable Speed model number 25VNA860A003. In the 5-ton size, this particular heat pump condenser has an efficiency of 18 plus SEER2 when it is matched with the Infinity Variable Speed Fan Coil, the FE4, as well as the Infinity User Interface or Infinity Control Thermostat. All those efficiencies, depending on what tonnage you're going for, will vary. So in the 5-ton it is 18 plus SEER2. In some of the lower sizes it will actually get a little better efficiency. So it is variable speed that has 5 different speeds in it, from 25% capacity to 100% capacity. So this unit will be able to maintain the temperature in your house at lower speeds while also pulling out a lot more humidity out of the air. So when the heat pump condenser is running at the lower speeds, it's obviously very quiet. You don't really notice it's even on indoors. The blower speed as well, depending on where that is, it might be in a closet or in an attic. You don't really hear that as well. So it's a very quiet system, extremely comfortable, highly recommended for people that want a better efficiency, a more efficient system to lower your energy costs, as well as something really quiet and comfortable. The sound rating on this system right now, we are running at high speed, so it is 71 decibels. Let's listen to that for a sec. Now obviously high speed is stage 5, so 71 decibels. As it does different speeds like stage 4, 3, 2, or 1, once you get down to that bottom speed, it's going to be 57 decibels. That's typically when it's maintaining temperature in your house, pulling out a lot more humidity. So it's very, very quiet once it does start to maintain your house's temperature. We just installed this and started it up, so it is running at high speed. Indoors, it is 85 degrees in this house. It's already dropped a few degrees since we started it, but it is 95 degrees outside. So it has a lot of work to do the first day once we start these up, but after it gets down to the temperature that you want, say it's 76 in the house, it will just start maintaining at the lower speeds. One other great thing about this 5-ton unit is the dimensions on it. Most of the 5-ton variable speed heat pump condensers on the market are very large. They are 35 by 35 footprint. This one is actually a smaller footprint. It's 31-inch width, 31-inch depth, and 43 inches high. So that makes it a little smaller, so it fits a little better in most yards. So that's something to consider about this unit. Some of the other units, like I said, are very, very big. So this condenser will also qualify for a Carrier Cool Cash instant rebate of $1,400 when matched with a Carrier Infinity Fan Coil and the Infinity Thermostat. You can also qualify for some of the local and state heat pump rebate programs depending on their criteria, so make sure you check that out. Those can be very nice. Some of them are $1,000, some are $1,500. Just depends what you're getting. So let me know what you think of this system. A lot of people ask about the Infinity systems and are they worth the money? How good are they? All that stuff. And I'm here to tell you that this is a great system. I think the 5-speed is fantastic. The one model above this, the 75-speed model, is also a very good unit. So let us know what you think in the comments section below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more information. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for some new videos coming out on more equipment that Carrier is going to be releasing in the future. And thank you for watching.